8th grade just finished up their miniature rooms unit. This is by far one of their favorite units of the year and one of my favorites to teach. We focus a lot on different areas of craftsmanship, particularly cardboard construction techniques. Students can also use all the techniques and skills and materials that they've learned since the beginning of the year. Students work in groups of 2 or 3, and all of the work is done in the classroom. They come up with their own theme together, which I really don't limit. I find that teenagers are very invested when they get to choose what they're going to do. I myself was definitely a diorama kid growing up. If a teacher gave an option to do a school project and a diorama was an option, I would do it. This is kind of like a souped up version of that. We just have the 2 walls and the floor, which I think makes it easier to have more people working on the project instead of inside of a shoebox. I have tons of bins filled with materials, a lot of trash and random things that I save and I pick up and I think, ooh, this will be good for that project. One of the things that kids love doing is just digging through my bins of stuff. One of the first things that I teach them, though, is how to construct a tabletop out of cardboard in a 3-dimensional way. And that technique is used throughout. We also have a lot of conversations about craftsmanship and how to build things in a neat and clean way. A lot of people ask, how do I grade this? And they have requirements. They have to have at least 3 furniture-like items. Craftsmanship is something that I grade for. They also have to design the exterior, and around 50% of their walls need to be obstructed with decor, furniture, and details. I have a rubric with all of these requirements that we go over at the very beginning of this project. I love this paper towel dispenser. Give it a try.